Hi, Rene here with the American School of Hypnosis, and today I'd like to speak to you about one of the biggest reasons why you can't sleep at night and how to fix it. You know, we get a lot of people writing in and calling into us asking us why they have such a hard time sleeping at night. Think of it. Have you ever asked yourself, why do I have such a hard time sleeping? Well, that's the exact problem right there. It's your self-talk. So many people do that. Negative self-talk is very effective to the mind. You're giving yourself suggestions. That's what self-hypnosis is giving yourself suggestions. So when you say, why do I have such a hard time sleeping? Since your subconscious mind doesn't understand negative, that's one of the major traits of the subconscious, all it's hearing you say is, I have such a hard time sleeping. So the subconscious mind, another rule of the subconscious mind is to give you everything you focus on. So it says, make it so. You can't sleep. So when you say, I can't sleep, or why can't I sleep, it doesn't understand the can't. Can't, don't, won't, do not register in the subconscious. It only understands positive, not negative. So it's thinking, I can't sleep. Okay, make it so. It's like a little genie granting all your wishes. Okay? So instead you need to say, I can sleep. I sleep easily. And focus on those words. So when you go to bed tonight, don't start thinking or saying, why can't I sleep? Or I'm going to have such a hard time sleeping. Because the mind will say, make it so, and you will have a hard time sleeping. That's what you're focusing on. Change your focus. You're in control of your own mind. So from now on, I sleep easily. I go to sleep fast. I love going to sleep easily. I look forward to going to sleep. Those are positive suggestions, and your subconscious mind once again will say, make it so. But the key is the focus. It's kind of like if you use a guided missile. Have you ever seen a guided missile? Wherever you keep your crosshairs aimed on the target, it will follow. So if you're focusing on a target and saying, I can sleep, I can sleep, I can sleep. Oh, I don't know. Now it's going off. Oops, I can sleep, but I'm not sure if it's going to work. I can sleep, but I doubt it. I can sleep, but should I really? You see what I mean? Every time you have a negative, it goes off target, You need to keep the positive focus. I sleep easily, and keep that focus until you fall asleep. So, yeah, it's kind of like fake it till you make it. You have to focus on it and believe it, whether it's true or not. And you're giving yourself these positive suggestions that will be accepted by your mind as long as you continue doing it. So go ahead and do that tonight to be able to sleep quickly and easily. Now, if you'd like to learn more about self-hypnosis and how to give yourself positive suggestions the proper way, I'd like to give you our 446-page hypnosis manual absolutely free. It contains a treasure of information on how to help yourself and others. To get it, just go to the link below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye now.